Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today is going to be part 3 of the suspension and tyre wheel upgrades to the VB WRX. And without further ado, I can finally show you the Works of Motions ZR10s that are going to be going on this car. So let's have a look. Tyres are going to be going on them very shortly. This is an exciting day. These are the Works of Motion ZR10s. Imported into Australia through JDM Concept. They've actually been out getting ceramic coated over the last couple of days, so they're going to be nice and shiny and look amazing once they're on the car. I'm getting a mobile tyre service. Tyres that are going to be going on these are the Michilen Pilot Sport 5s for the additional grip and longevity of those tyres. Hope you can join me, as the tyres will be here shortly and we'll watch them go on the car. It's the next day and I'm getting ready to put the wheels on the car finally. Everything's been adjusted on the car, ready to take these wheels straight. So we'll get to the install and show you the final result. Now prior to the wheels going on, I just have to put this hub-centric adapter on, going from the center bore of the hub here to match the wheels. Should just fit on like that, and that'll just expand that hub-centric center and allow the new wheels to go on. Now I'm not reusing the old nuts, the lug nuts either. I've got these new black ones. These are only temporary until I actually get my proper works ones. They're still currently shipping from Japan. And there we go. The rear left has been changed. New wheels are on. And they're looking amazing. Now the biggest thing for me is whether I keep these fender flares the same. I'll get all the wheels on and we'll have a look and see if we're going to need to change these fender flares. And just like that, all four corners of the car have been swapped out for the new wheel and tyre package. Once again, the lug nuts that are currently on the car aren't permanent. I do have a set of works lug nuts coming from Japan. It's just taken a while to get here. Now, my big question to everyone is, what do I do with the fender flares? Do I A, keep them stock, B, Aerofly Dynamics color matched or even silica black, or C, Access Parts Japan carbon fiber? Let me know down in the comments what you reckon I should do. I'm quite liking the black look at the moment, so personally I'm leaning towards a silica black or a carbon fiber look, but I'll see what everyone else says. Well, that's all I got for you on this one, guys. That is part 3 officially done. The wheels are on the car and the car now looks amazing. So, as I said in the previous little bit, let me know what you think I should do with the fender flares. Comment down below. And we still have part 4 to come, which will be the strut towers, front and rear. I have one of the strut towers sitting here waiting to go. I'm just waiting on the other one, which has just arrived from Japan. So if you're looking forward to that one, subscribe, like this video, and as I said in the previous few videos, if you want some behind the scenes action, head over to my Instagram, as you'll get the behind the scenes and first looks at all of these things happening. I also have quite a few other parts still to come for this WRX, including a cob access port that I've just gotten my hands on quite cheap. So I'm looking forward to doing that one and opening the taps on this beast. So stay tuned for that one, and I'll see you in the next one.